This is 9 months on HRT, and basically what's changed is my face. Parts of it, like a little here, just all over the place it's changed. But right now I'm wearing some makeup. Yeah, just a little of everything. My hips have gotten a little wider. I can't say if my butt's gained or anything, but it probably did. Let's see what else. My leg hair basically just seems like it's just thinned out just a little bit. It's not as coarse as it used to be. The only other thing I can really think of is my breasts have gained. And if you don't want to hear this, my sperm, yeah, if you don't want to hear this, don't watch this part. But my sperm, basically, the liquid, the protein that swims in that liquid just seems like just left the sperm and more of the liquid, so it's more clear, a little more. It's not sterile yet. And let's see what else. My breasts have gained. Basically, the spots where I noticed they gained was right here, the inner part right here, and was this one gained right here a lot. They just been, yeah, they haven't been hurting, but this morning when I was eating breakfast, yeah, they were hurting just a little bit. All I have to say is, when you measure them in the morning, basically it's going to be smaller, because basically when you wake up in the morning, because you haven't drank water all night while you're asleep, you'll be dehydrated. You don't have your, basically, you don't have your testosterone would be higher at that point, because you haven't taken medication to help, and see what else, and you don't have all the proper nutrients in them at the time. So if you take your medication, drink water, eat something, basically you can feel the difference. You feel a little fuller, because I measured before I did all that, then after, and there's a big difference. Because before it was smaller, like a whole entire inch smaller, a whole entire inch, around an inch, no more than an inch smaller. So when I did all that and then remeasured, they were a full inch bigger. And it's basically, right now, they're my band size, if you don't know already, it's this way. It's a 34. And around here, the cup size, the fullest part of the breast is right up here, is where you're supposed to measure. Up here is the fullest part. And it's right at the 36 mark. 36 inches. So that would be a B. It's like right there. But I got a brand new bra last week. A B cup, just to try it out and everything. Because how close my breasts are to being a full, not like, small B. The cup is still a little loose, but fits. Still fits okay, but around the cups it's still a little loose. So that's really all I can think of for the changes that has happened. Really nothing else has changed, but I noticed less acne, a lot less. There's like none whatsoever I can really find. There's like only one, and it was right there, and this one right there. Other than that, I don't really see any other changes. So until next time, comment, rate, and subscribe.